guys, tonight I'm cooking for sport. And here to cry foul tonight is Chef Josh Capon and sportscaster Jaymee Sire. So you haven't done this before.
No, I'm a rookie.
But Josh is like,
I'm like the 6-time Super Bowl champion.
Jaymee, you have a blog, E is for Eat.
Yeah, very food-centric.
Right, she hosts her own event at the New York City Wine and Food Festival. Josh, are you doing that yet?
Hopefully one day, man.
Listen, I know how to take you down.
Do you?
Yeah.
We're gonna knock you out.
All right, I'm ready. Who you got?
Our first contender. He's running his own Michelin-starred restaurant, Jarad Gallagher!
He's cooked in kitchens across America. Please welcome Executive Chef Joshua Bedford.
Whoa. Oh,
Coming for you, Bobby.
We're playing around, Bobby.
Jarad, Joshua, what's your goal today?
Beat you.
Whoa.
Well, you first must go through each other. You guys are gonna have 20 minutes to make this ingredient of my choice the star of your dish. And that ingredient is steamer clams.
I make clams a million times a day.
I use clams a lot, just not as the focal point.
Jaymee and Josh will taste your dishes and decide which one of you goes up against me in round 2. You ready? Go.
Yeah.
I'm making white wine and garlic steamers with brioche.
I'm making southern sweet tea clams with blistered shishito peppers and butter-fried sourdough bread.
Oh, wow. All right, well, I'm gonna let you get back to work because we need you both in tip-top shape to beat Bobby. What do you think? Are you nervous?
Did Josh say he wasn't gonna get the steamers going till 3 minutes?
Yeah, he said 3.5.
You gotta get that stuff going.
Oh, he just dropped him in.
Oh, he did?
Hurry up. I have to get the clams in the pot and then hope that my flavors come together.
350.
Oh, Bobby, I got a whole newfound respect for you.
It goes fast, doesn't it?
Oh, boy, it goes fast.
That's why in my round, it's 45 minutes. Chef.
What?
Lots of good. Get it going. 3 minutes to go. Joshua's broth smells really good.
I think you're nervous.
You got the 2-minute drill going, guys. Let's go.
We're gonna put the brioche down and then put the braised clam around the brioche and then garnish that with trout roe and arugula.
We got 1 minute, fellas. 1 minute.
I make sure that every pot has the same amount of clams in it. Then I start picking through and finding the tomatoes and the ginger and the peppers. Oh, boy.
30 seconds.
I'm waiting to the very last second to put that final broth on there so it's hot.
10, 9, 8.
I need to add some sweetness, so I put more sorghum on top.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Jaymee and I are here to pick the best heavyweight contender to knock out the guy that's standing in the middle of you. Jarad, you want to tell us what's in your dish?
Steamer clams, arugula, and brioche.
I like the clams. The broth is good, but by putting the crouton on the bottom, they soaked up all the broth pretty quickly without giving me that option to kind of dip into it.
I'm with Josh. You didn't get a chance to kind of mop up the broth on your own, but you eat with your eyes first, and this was a beautiful plate.
Thank you.
Joshua, can you tell me what we have here?
We have southern sweet tea clams with blistered shishito peppers and butter-fried sourdough bread.
The broth is really interesting. It's very smoky. I love the crusty bread. I just feel like I can't get down there. I can't get to the broth.
There's a lot of stuff in the bowl, but you got some nice aromatics with the ginger, the shishito peppers, the tomatoes. The clams are cooked perfectly, but the broth itself is very strong. With the sorghum, which you poured over the top, I like the flavor of it. I just don't know how well it matches with the steamers. All right, chefs, give us a little minute to huddle.
If it comes down to making the clams the star of the dish, I know that my dish has it.
I brought a tried and true Texas attitude to this dish, and that's why I will win.
And the chef that is going to move forward is Chef Jarad.
The This experience was emotional.
Nice shot, Chef. I like it. Nice shot.
Just putting myself out there to be criticized or judged, and I feel like I conquered that.
All right, Jarad, you beat Josh, but the truth is, you ain't beating Bobby with that dish. You better bring the A game in the second half. Let's go. I want to see Michelin stars. Let's go.
Good job. Made through round one.
No problem.
Okay. What is your signature dish, sir?
My signature dish, egg drop soup.
You're screwed, Bobby.
You know, I grew up in China.
Did you?
No.
No.
Give us the rules.
We've got 3 industry professionals standing by for a blind taste test.
You only have 45 minutes to complete your dish. Clock starts now. Oh, it's on.
You know what? You make a really cute cheerleader.
Really? For the first time, I think Bobby is actually going the more traditional route. Are you afraid that our boy Jarad is going a little too highbrow, a little too Michelin, with a classic egg drop
I had
soup?
that thought. I mean, he has the pesto and the crab on top, and it's beautiful, but it doesn't look like egg drop soup at all.
That is a concern of mine.
Hopefully our judges like highbrow stuff.
I'm watching the clock, and I know that I need to get the eggs into the broth, get the soup up to a full rolling boil, and let the boil roll the egg.
2.5 minutes, guys, 2.5 minutes.
Here comes the moment of truth. Time to make the egg drops. Or if I drop the eggs in too quick, I could end up with clumps.
Hey, Bobby, how are those egg threads going for you?
Beautiful.
They're not chunky or overcooked at all?
Nope.
Perhaps scrambled.
Gorgeous. Jaymee and Josh are giving me a hard time, but my egg drops are pretty okay. They're nice and silky, and that's the key.
Come on, guys, let's hear it for Jarad down the final stretch, huh? With 1 minute and 30.
Come on, Jarad!
I'm adding chanterelle mushrooms, which is gonna give us some richness.
Jarad, what are you gonna be doing with the chanterelles?
They're gonna go into the bowl raw, but when you pour the egg broth over it, they cook.
All right.
You're on the 1 yard line, baby. Punch it in.
I am adding crab on top, and then a spicy flower petal, and then I'm gonna add the broth to it.
So in the bottom of my bowl, I take some of the duck confit, some of the edamame. I add the soup on top of the edamame and the duck, and then I add scallions and some of the fried wontons.
We got 10 seconds. Come on, 9, 8.
The very last second, I put the chai pesto on top.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Great job. Thank you.
Congratulations, Jarad and Bobby. Now it's time to meet the judges.
The operating partner of Red Farm and Decoy, Ed Schoenfeld.
Editor-in-chief of Blackboard Eats, Maggie Nemzer.
And the founder of The Melt Shop, Spencer Rubin.
Please start with the bowl in front of you.
The technique here is very nice. The egg is just the right shape, and the color is really, really nice. But the lemony taste in it is not what I'm looking for from a broth.
The crab was really nice and fresh. There were a lot of interesting flavors. I like the chive oil, the bay leaf, but they didn't quite all come together the way that I would have liked.
The technique on the egg was better than I've ever had in an egg drop soup before. I do like the brightness in there from the lemon, something that I could probably eat every day for lunch.
Judges, if you would please swap the soups.
This is more comforting, I would say, but I'm not really digging the crispy wontons. They're getting a little soggy, but the broth is fantastic.
This is a broth I could really live in. The depth of flavor lives with you for a long time. But the duck is too tough, a little bit like duck jerky.
The duck, it's a confit duck. Apparently it's been fried to crisp it up, and it's shredded. It's not succulent. But I really like the broth, so there are pluses and minuses for both of that.
Unfortunately, there can only be one winner. Check the soup you are voting for.
You could serve that dish in any Michelin star restaurant that I've worked at. It's a beautiful dish.
And the winner is Bobby Flay.